Hello, we are group 4. We are Paula Fernandez, Ángel Pérez, and Eduardo Panayotti. We are going to present furniture on a budget. Here we have the introduction. Linear programming is a mathematical method developed at the beginning of the second half 20th century. Its impact since 1950 has been extraordinary and is used to solve optimization problems with constraints. Linear programming is a tool that is commonly used in many areas. We're going to focus on the relation of a company's production and storage with linear programming. In this particular, linear programming will allow us to determine the optimal production of a company in order to minimize costs.
Yeah.
Industries Panavision. Industries Panavision is a company focused on the providing its consumers with functional solutions to the furnishing needs, be in the business, commercial, educational, financial, etc. The types of furniture manufactured of Ipsa are commercial furniture, showcases, special furniture, reception furnitures, modular desk, tables and chairs of collectivities, etc.
Ángel has introduced that the company has two main sellers. They are these two products. The first one, a storage cabinet, which the cost of production is 85 euros, and the second product, a waiting chair, which cost of production is 19 euros. The company has analyzed two different processes for each product. The first process is powder paint oven, and the second one mounting, and they have shared the timetables with us. These are the available working hours for each process. In the first one, they normally work 50 hours, but they can work up to 112. And in the second process, they work 44 hours a week, but they can work up to 112. The forecasted demand of each product is 524 units and 744 units. But just in case, the company maintains 20% extra stock apart from the demand in warehouse, and therefore we have 655 units and 930 units. The maximum stock for product 1 is 2,450 units, and for product 2, 3,250 units.
So now, analyzing mathematically, we have X will be considered to be the number of units of storage cabinets produced in the current week, and Y would be considered the number of waiting chairs produced in the current week. Our objective function would be to minimize the production of 85 euros times the X units of product 1 and 19 euros times Y units of product 2. The company's policy is to minimize the sum of units X and Y to optimize the cost of production and improve the profits, considering the company's constraints. The first constraint is a process time for the first process, which was the oven. Now the second process time for the mounting. We have the demands for stock, storage, and waiting chairs that we have to comply with. We also have a maximum processing time, as workers' time is not limited. We also have a non-negative production. We can't have negative productions for both. And we have another problem, which is storage. So we have a storage maximum capacity for each of the products. First, we evaluated with our data using Excel solver, and this is our general data which we will close up and analyze deeply. So we have the problem characteristic. Our objective is to minimize the cost of production. We have two variables, which are storage cabinet and waiting chairs. We have 6 normal constraints, 2 of non-negativity, and we will only consider whole numbers for these cases, being that we can't have half chairs or half storage cabinets. So now we have in Excel our constraints that we have presented before. We have our objective function and our constraints set for now to analyze. Finally, we have our optimal values. We have our both variables, which we now have our units. Our unit solutions are 655 storage cabinets and 930 chairs, and this will bring the company a revenue of 73,345 euros if they follow our suggestion. For our conclusion, after using the data that was given us by Ipsa, we managed to project a possible solution for the company. Analyzing the results gathered using Excel solver, we suggest the following to Ipsa. As mentioned before, we would have a weekly revenue of 73,345 euros, each week selling 655 units of storage cabinets and 930 30 units of waiting chairs. Thank you very much.